What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the air filter and cabin filter in an Infiniti EX3. It's a straightforward process that improves your car's performance and the air quality inside. So let's get to it. First, let's replace the air filters. Yes, there's two air filters in this engine. The air filter keeps the engine clean by preventing dirt and debris from entering. Locate the air filter housing. It's usually a black plastic box near the engine. Open the housing by releasing the clips. As you can see, the filter's hella dirty and clogged. It's essential to replace it usually every 12 to 15,000 miles. Make sure the new filter is positioned correctly and secure the housing back in place. Installation is the same for both sides. And that's it for the air filter. Now, let's move on to the cabin filter. The cabin filter improves the air quality inside the car by trapping dust, pollen, and other particles. It's located behind the glove box. Pry off the side panel. Open the glove box. Lift and pull the glove box to remove it from the lower hinges. Then unhook the arm and remove the glove box. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 7 screws securing the panel to reveal the cabin filter housing. Remove the glove box light and the harness out of the way. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Similar to the air filter, the cabin filter gets dirty over time. Replace it every 15 to 25,000 miles or sooner if you drive in a dusty area. Slide the new filter into place. If the filter has airflow with the arrows facing down, then install it with the arrows pointing down. If the side of the filter says up with the arrows facing up, then install it with the arrows pointing up. Then reattach everything and close the glove box compartment. And there you have it. Replacing the air filter and cabin filter on your Infiniti EX3 is a simple maintenance task that can make a big difference in your car's performance and the air you breathe inside. Thanks for watching you guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.